Jane Goodall changed how I see the world, and honestly, how millions of us think about nature itself. Today, as news spreads that she's passed away at 91, I can't help but reflect on the legacy she leaves behind. Back in the 1960s, while most scientists kept their distance, Jane did the exact opposite. She walked right into the forests of Tanzania and lived among chimpanzees. She watched, listened, and recorded every detail of their lives, often sitting quietly for hours, just to earn their trust. That patience paid off. Jane was the first to discover that chimpanzees make and use tools, shattering the belief that only humans could do that. Her work forced the scientific world to admit, we're not so different from our closest animal relatives after all. But what I find most powerful is that Jane didn't stop at the science. She noticed how chimps felt joy, sorrow, even empathy, and she shared those stories with the world. Through her films and books, she let us see these animals as individuals with personalities and emotions, not just research subjects. She made us care. As she grew older, Jane turned her attention from the forest to the whole planet. She became a fierce advocate for conservation, traveling non-stop to speak to anyone who would listen. Kids in classrooms, politicians in boardrooms, everyone. Her message was always clear. Every single one of us can make a difference. She founded the Jane Goodall Institute and Roots and Shoots, inspiring young people everywhere to take action, whether it's planting trees or protecting wildlife in their own neighborhoods. Jane believed hope is a responsibility, not just a feeling. Even in her final years, Jane's voice was everywhere. Podcasts, interviews, social media, reminding us to fight for the future of our planet. Her optimism was contagious, her conviction unshakable. Jane Goodall didn't just study chimpanzees, she inspired a movement. That's her real legacy. A world full of people who care, who act, and who believe, just like she did, that even the smallest act of kindness can change everything.